Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Damn. So to start your day off right, you have your first batch of greens. And then you get a good stretch in. Booty. Okay, so today, like I said, we are going to be talking about my favorite smoothie on the Goodbye Lupus Protocol by Dr. Brooke Goldner. And I just want to show you guys a really good go-to breakfast, lunch. It substitutes an entire meal. The Goodbye Lupus Protocol does call for 75% cruciferous vegetables. So that's bok choy, spinach, kale, and 25% fruit. And because I'm on dialysis, and I'm specifically on hemodialysis, I have to try to take less potassium foods, like low potassium foods. So I chose peaches and mango. So here's our peaches. I always buy frozen fruit to save me for convenience, and I always buy organic. You don't have to buy organic though. And then we have the mango. Okay? So I add the mango in there because I just like the way mango tastes. But mango does have a pretty high potassium. So I put a little less mango than I did peaches. And then a little bit of aloe vera. The whole idea behind Goodbye Lupus Protocol, and what you will learn about a lot of 100% plant-based protocols in general, is that they're trying to calm the inflammation in the body. So using things like aloe vera is very anti-inflammatory. It's very good for you. So then I add kale. Like I said, 75% cruciferous vegetables, and I just stuff that in there. You just keep on stuffing it, and if you could fit the whole box of greens in your blender, I suggest you just go ahead and throw it all in there, because this is why you add what you add, so that you can just bring it down. I typically like kale, but some people prefer spinach. Maybe you prefer bok choy. And then you have your flax seeds. That's actually a third a cup. The Goodbye Lupus Protocol, it calls for a fourth a cup of flax or chia seeds in every smoothie. But I like to typically put more because the flax seeds are really high in omega-3s, which are anti-inflammatory. And then banana for taste. Got y'all. This is not OnlyFans. Come on now. What y'all thought? Y'all really thought, haha. You just add the banana for flavor, for sweet. I only add one, but when I'm wanting something to be very sweet, like more like a dessert, I'll add 2 or 3. And then some water, almond milk. I buy the Malk brand, MALK. The Malk brand, it's literally just filtered water and almonds. So there's no gellum gums or anything, or sugar or anything like that in it. So that's why I prefer that kind. And then you add a little flaxseed oil. This is organic cold pressed flaxseed oil. I usually use the flax seeds and the flaxseed oil. In the Goodbye Lupus Protocol, they say that the flaxseed oil is better than using just regular flax seeds. But I figure, again, high in omega-3s, it's not going to hurt for me to just put the flaxseed oil and the flax seeds in there. And especially with the fact that I have lupus, which is my immune system is overactive and highly inflammatory, I could take as much omega-3s as I could get. So isn't this juicer so cute? My mom actually got this juicer for me. I suffer from carpal tunnel as well, and sometimes it's really difficult for me to do things with my hands because my joints will get very inflamed. So my mom bought me this juicer, and it's my favorite thing right now because I can just sit there, juice my lemons, juice my limes, and it works. And I'm not stressed about it. It's just a task, right? And so I juiced 2 of these limes for this smoothie in particular. And we're off. Y'all ready for this? Do, 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 do. Let's get it. Okay, I'm ready. The grand finale. Y'all like that, huh? And the verdict? Delicious. I'm telling you guys, this is like mind completely blown. You take one of these smoothies, you have a whole entire meal, and it's nourishing, it's good for you.